Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is 3 easy show-off rock guitar licks. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, told all your friends about this really cool guitar channel, and also became a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy for free or with a premium membership account. So, what are we talking today? You want to have a show-off situation with your rock guitar solo? Here we go. And so on. So I'm going to show you 3 licks, 4 bar licks or 2 bar licks, which you can make variations on them, and you just shuffle around with them, and with those 3 licks you're ready. You can have your show off moment, and also I'm going to show you very easy tricks to variate the whole thing and to make it really sound, you know, to have Spanish people say mojones. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright guys, we are in the key of E, and we use 2 positions for this thing here. We use position number 4, this one here. This one here starts in the 7th fret. 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 8, 10, 7. This is the normal opening pattern, and then we use pattern 1 in the high position. Here, 12, 15. That one you should know by now. 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 15, 12, 15. So we also jump quickly in position number 2 here in the high position. So, let me get a closer view on the fretboard here. Yeah. All right. So we have an opening phrase. As I said, you open, mostly open up in position 4, and this will be. You start here with a hammer-on lick on 1, 2, 3, on 4, 1, 2, because when you start on 4, it opens up. You know, 1, 2, 3, and then we jump in the bending here in the tether, and then we open up again on 4, and then we jump in the bending here in the 15th fret in position 1. Sounds simple, but there are a few tricks to know about to make it really sound groovy. So I'm gonna play quickly, and I'm gonna switch on the delay again. Oopie, there's a ghost in the wire. Yeah, the delay is set on the quarter note of the beat to make it more punchy. Let me play it first without the delay. So. Okay, I already played it now with the variations. What did I do with the variations? First, the tricks to make it sound really cool and groovy, and then on the ending notes of a phrase like this one here, you accelerate the bending, the vibrato till the ending point of the note. When you work with delays and you stop exactly on the beat, it repeats. See? Now you think it's too much delay, but let me play it with the band. See? Now you don't really hear it anymore, but it makes you sound really wide. But in this case, you really have to be precise, and you have to stop the notes exactly like, and accelerate the vibrato till the ending. Same on the high, and that is the harder one. Also accelerate till the ending and then stop. Okay, so that's the harp. I mean, the lick is really simple, but these little details make the big difference, honestly. I often compare this with doing ice skating. You know, you can fall on the left, on the right side, but you just have to go on speed to really be precise. And that's how the whole thing works. Now the variation, if you play the phrase twice, it's boring to make the same thing again. So the second time you play, you probably make some slight changements, like, you know, before we had, I probably start with 2 dead notes on 3 and 1, 2, 3. See, we start with these dead notes. This is just a minor changement in the same lick, but it makes it sound fresh, you know. So I'm gonna play. See, now I made the dead notes, now it sounds fresher. Also, when you play like the bending the second time, or you first you play the ending note once, second time twice. You know? Maybe second time you play the bending twice, and you just the vibrator on the second one, the first one not. Let's see how that works. What you also can do is make variations on the harmonics, like you second time you play, add more pinch harmonics, or you slightly move the pick a little bit like this, that you get more overtones in what you're playing, even if you're playing the same thing. That makes it sound more intense. Okay, so that would be an opening phrase. Now, second idea or lick, which you can, is this. This bending here is really important. Then, instead of resolving it down here, you make a bigger, well, I'm gonna first play it for you, that you can hear it. Again. It looks really simple, but there are also a few tricks to know. First of all, as I said, this bigger interval here makes it sound more special. I need to get my knee out of the picture. Let me quickly zoom in a little bit more. You know, always staying in the center of the screen while playing is not so easy, guys. I don't have a cameraman here. Okay, so we have same thing again, accelerate the vibrator till the end. Also you can make slightly movements or variations on getting on the pitch. You can go fast up or slow. Same thing but different effect. If you want to make it more nasty, you probably go up slower. Or you want to make it more aggressive, then you go up fast, you know. And then second time, maybe the second time you play the bending twice, and then we go up in the high bending here in the 17, 15. Same thing again. Okay, I'm gonna show you. you hear the variations again? Again, I did those with the 2 dead notes. Second time, you have the variation again. So you play the same thing twice, but it sounds fresh the second time you play it. Even you play the same thing where you make variations on the bendings. Yeah. Or the speed of going up. That's really the main thing, guys. You know, it's like talking. If you always talk like, hi guys, I'm like this. You know, I don't want to, no, I skip this joke. Otherwise people from Finland they're angry with me. But I once was in Finland, people always talk, always the same level, you know. But if it makes waves, that's more interesting to follow. Okay, so this is lick number 2. Lick number 3 is really a simple one. As I said, the licks themselves are really easy, and with really easy tricks you can make variations on them. It's a repeating pattern here, bending here in the 14th, pull off 15, 12. Okay. Okay. And here I'm gonna yeah, you can do it like this, or you can prolong. There's really a ghost in the wire here. You can prolong the repeating pattern as long as you like and resolve it either down or up. This way you can make the variations you want. If you want to have it more intense, you keep it going, and I'll show you. Now, how you do the variations here? This is a 16-note figure. My knees are always in the picture. Yeah, so this one here. So first you played 1, 2, 3, 4. You start on 1. Second time you start on a 16 note before and keep it till the second 16 note of the beat 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Did you hear the difference? It came a slightly earlier, and this way it gives you a really great shift, you know. 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's really cool. I'll show you with the track. Yeah, works perfect. So you have 3 licks now. With variations you can keep this thing going on like forever. I'm gonna probably play a little bit, and in between you just play a few notes and that's it. Oops, I missed the start. 1, 2. Also, sometimes don't play. Now we go to the licks. Yo, these were now 3 easy show-off rock guitar licks. There seem to be easy. Rock guitar is something. It is easy, but it ain't. or opposite, it ain't easy, but it is. Well, the licks are really simple, but to make it sound, you know, with them, these are the little tricks which I showed, you know. Make it a little variation there, a little nasty bending there, a little overtone there. That's what makes the big thing. Because the material itself is mostly simple. Well, depends what kind of rock you play. But in this case, it's really simple. But the little things, that makes the big difference, that you sound or Yo, one more to say, if you want to download the backing track and the tabs of the licks which I just played, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join them with a free member account. There are a lot of free downloads there, but this download is only available for premium members. Please also share my channel to all your guitar friends. Help the channel grow and help to build a community here, because the more we are, the more fun we have, and the more stable the system is. Yo. Good, and if you want to do that, please write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy. You find the link on my website. Please write me a review there. Yo. So me and Dr. Pink are saying bye.